Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of a Google site. Now it's extremely easy process. What you have to do is firstly, just simply open your browser, then just simply go to your site. After that, what you have to do is just simply go to the page where you want to change the background color. Like for example, the home page over here. What you do is you simply hover over the image or the background or the page or the section where you want to change the background color of, like for example, this section over here. Now you will notice the moment you will click on any of the sections, if you click on over here, you will see a trash option because there's already image inserted, which you can also do in these panels as well. But in order to change the color, you will see this color option right over here. Click on this option. Now you will have three options, or you can even upload every image if you want to. So this will choose any of the styles over here, like for example, style 2. Now this will give you style. So as you can see, it has already changed the background color over here, but you can change the background color even more. So what you have to do is firstly select the section. You will know when the section is selected. If the section is highlighted in the blue box, that means the section is selected. Now once it's selected, click on themes, and over here again click on section, and then right over here you will have a few more colors to choose from. So let's say for example this blue option, as you can see the color up here changed. Make sure to click over here in the section first, and after that, as you can see, after selecting the section, you'll be able to change the color like this. You even choose a color from the color wheel, as you can see right over here, for example this color, or maybe something like this. As you can see, you have full choice to pick whatever color you want. You can even add a code like this right over here, like for example, which is going to be the color of the black. As you can see, the entire background is no change. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.